Right, hello and welcome to part 5 of the knitting machine restoration video. What I've done here is I have cleaned all of the parts and then I've applied a bluing liquid which has converted the rust into a more chemically stable thing. It does make it look worse actually because it stains the zinc, but it makes the machine significantly better, and this is part of the inside of the machine. In any case, I'm definitely not going to be selling this as in pristine condition. Certainly not as it was advertised when I got it off eBay, which of course I knew when I got it, but a lot of people don't. So what I will probably do now is I will go ahead and put this machine all back together again. But to save you watching 25 minutes of me doing up lots and lots and lots of machine screws, what I'm going to do is I'm going to record it all and then put it on some sort of uber fast forward. And then I shall come back to you once we put it all together and tell you about the next steps. And that is the machine back together again. Before it goes back in the box, I will do a knit test on it, so I can check that this is exactly the right place to trigger all the right bits. But again, I say whilst it would never look perfect, it looks a lot better than it was, and I shall see you soon in part 6, where we'll be turning our attention to the case that it is in.